Good morning, my sweetie.
Good morning.
Okay. Examination will be starting from today here. All bless with you, and I hope you will do very well. There is no doubt. You are not only intelligent. You are a good daughter and good teacher. Everything. But just I have to tell that Duryodhan said, "Janami dharmam, नचमे परवित्री और जानामि अधर्मम चौमे निर्वित्री." And Duryodhan said, I know, yes, I know everything. Righteousness is what? But my interest is nothing about righteousness. But my interest is on righteousness. Because the billion trillion our cell, body cell, if we not wake up, if we not alarm, alert, our body cell start to sleep. So that before we sleep, we need to inform, we need to alert. Tomorrow after 3 am, we have to wake up and we have to run at any cost. If you inform before you sleep, when you wake up after 3 am, your all body cell, billion trillion body cell start to knocking you. We have to run, we have to run, we have to run, we have to do exercise, because your body cell, they don't know what to do or not. They just waiting your right direction. That is your responsibility to give them right direction before you sleep. That tomorrow morning after 3 am at any cost, we have to run. Just you need to give right direction, and your all totally billion trillion body cell start to knocking you. You promise it last night before you sleep. We have to wake up widen knocking you. Just you need to give direction your body cell, your head, your eyes, your cheeks, your neck, your whole body. You need to massage, be active, many direction. That is also Almighty. That is Nachiketa Yamraj, and Nachiketa asks, तुम का भाषा यम लोके? That means, what is your language? That means Almighty. Hey Yamraj, what is your language? The Yamraj says, I have not the 2000, 5000 language like here. My language is only nature. What you react, I will give. If you be angry, I will give angry. If you be happy, I will give happy. If you exercise, if you do exercise well, I will give health. If you do business, I will give valuable. If you run according to righteousness, I will give value. Value means nature. Good nature, bad nature. That people have bad nature and they are crying, fighting each other. That is criticism. That is to my language is nature. Nature means sanskar. Sanskar means Sanskrit. Only one nature. What you think, what you desire, I do that language, meaning your nature, your sanskar. If you angry, I will give angry. If you be greedy, I will give greedy. If you be compassion, I will give pity. Everything. I will give what you desire. Okay, my daughter, go on your way.
There is many more cells in our body which are uncountable.
Yes.
And none of can count it. So even they want something. Maybe the cells of our skin, they want to feel something soft, and they want warm. Many things this our cells also want.
Yes.
And even there is in our eye, ear, tongue, nose, everywhere. And in our body, there is many systems which are very mysterious, that how it work. Even the scientists, they do not know that a person he got sick, but by medicine or by what, somehow they recovered, maybe because of natural power or almighty power or that medicine power. And in our body there many functions are still running, which will continuously running till we are alive. Like our heart is pumping 24/7 and our lungs is breathing, and these are the organs which we need compulsory for a life. Even there is many cells, and outside our body, even there in our thought, there is nervous system, and there that many cells are there, but they are permanent. New cells would grow if we damage it, because if we cut for some of the skins layout from our hand or leg, from all these skins, they will be recovered. And inside our brain, there is a nervous system, so that won't grow again.
Vein also too. That is internal vein. There is fresh blood. That is fully oxygen, fully blood who our heart pumping.
Yeah.
That is internal, and external, and that all toxin fully blood returning from these two veins. And so that our life 100 years, but day by day, by procrastination, our life also day by day we made short, and 60 70 at 68 around our age. So but you can improve your age, but our body cell, there is also our body made by billion trillion cells, and these cells every day billion cells are die, and billion trillion cells are newborn, and we need to who die dead cell, we need to reduce use for food. Our active cell should use that dead cell. If somehow we are not inactive, that means dead cell all are storing our body, and cases also ulcer, cancer. This is to at any cost we have to consume this dead cell at any cost. That is main reason of disease. Then on health, because so much there is dead cell storing our body. That is our responsibility to remove it. And how to remove it? By sweat, by urine, by feces, especially sweat and activeness. Too much hard work, pain work. First of all, intense hard work. Number one, I think commitment. commitment at any cost. Yes. And second is intense hard work. At any cost, you need to hard work. Too much pains work. You need to totally tire end of the day before you sleep. If you're not tired, your body cell, your dead cell, never finish, and that problem will appear. Procrastination has nothing to be with being lazy. The main problem is procrastination. And how to remove procrastination? By activeness. You know everything because I learned from you. You are my guru. Okay, go on.
All is dependent in our body, and in our body there are many functions, like you told, and one fresh lung and one unfresh and full of toxin that will be return banked. And it all is plagued by heart. And yes, of course, our body is very powerful from inside, because to do that 24/7 work, that is too difficult. If we work for 1 or 2 hours and then after we become tired, but it is for the rest of our life.
Life is difficult, my daughter. Who people accept their difficult challenge, and they are always fit. That knowledge, everyone has knowledge alert, but knowledge not working if you not put it into practice. That is main point is practice. Abhyasena tu konte vairagyena cha grihate. That means at any cost you have to do. Thank you, my daughter.